Hello, welcome to the Magic Pencil. I'm Yuli and this is
Andrew.
And today we're going to be drawing how to draw an amazing sun. And also, I would like to announce the competition, and if you win, you would get this amazing book, How to Teach You Realistic Animals. And all you need to do is to subscribe to our channel and look up to our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids, and you can send in one drawing or a whole bunch, even better.
Shall we get started?
Yes.
Thank you. Let's go.
Get a black pen.
Okay.
Now do a big circle.
Okay.
Now for the eyes, do like that.
Okay, so it's kind of like a leaf shape, yeah? With a curly tip. Okay, and I've got to do one on this side, is that right?
Not right next to each other.
I did mine doing mine a bit too close.
Yeah.
Oops.
And then you can do the eyelids like that.
Like that, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So you follow copying that curve at the top, yeah?
Then do that on each side.
Okay, so a curved line that side and a curved line that side, is that right?
Then do that on each side.
Okay, so is that the coloured bit of the eye?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then colour this bit in.
Okay, so the middle bit is black. Is there any reflections on it, or is it just solid black?
Just solid black.
Okay. Like that? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, like that.
Yeah. Now you can do the eyelashes. And now you do the eyelashes like
Okay, on the top, like little triangles.
kind of, yeah.
Yeah?
4. Actually 5. Well, how many you
1, 2,
want?
3, 4, 5. That's so many I've done. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now do the little nose.
A little nose here.
Now do like a V shape, like kind of like a U or V.
Okay. Okay. So like that. Yeah.
And then do like that on each side.
Okay. Like a gentle diagonal line.
Then you can like curve it up a little.
Oh, in the corners. Okay. So do a little curve in the corners like that.
Then you come down like that.
Okay. Like that.
Then after you can do like that.
Okay. So it's like a banana.
Then do that and colour it in.
Okay, so do a little gap here and colour that in black, okay?
Now do that.
Okay, so it's like a leaf shape. Is that the flames?
And do more, but like you're leaving gaps.
Okay. Alright?
Then do like little suns in here.
Okay, so I'm going to do a circle and then do little flames around it, yeah? Oh, is there a circle in the middle? Okay. Okay, I need to catch up a little bit, sorry. Just one more to do after this one. I'll try to be fast. Okay.
After you do one more inside these.
Okay, so do.
You do one dot like that.
A dot above those little suns,
like
yeah.
One dot, then a circle, then that.
So like a big circle and then 2 dots either side. Is that right? And then what do we do next?
Colouring.
Okay, brilliant. Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. That was fantastic. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. So please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.
Goodbye.